Ooh la lam! This Sunday, 5:45 Pacific. Galing ng Filipino sa pagluto, only on TFC!
Kapamilya, ito po ang bahay ng magfiancé na si Walter at saka si Catherine. Si Catherine po, Pilipino. Si Walter naman po, Puerto Rican. Bagong salad master owner po sila. Now, I have no clue what I'm walking into. Ang alam ko lang po, magluluto ako sa kanilang mga kapamilya at mga kaibigan. At very safe ako dahil ang gamit-gamit ko po is magic kawali at kaldero ng salad master. So, pasok na tayo. Hi! Are you Catherine?
Yes.
Catherine, I'm Ron.
Hi,
Nice
Ron.
to meet you. Where's Walter?
Walter!
Hello, everyone!
He's disappeared. Come on in.
Kasama ko rin si Ate Evelyn Sheridan, ang partner ko po sa mga shows ko. Inumpisahan ko po ang demo introducing our free hosting item ng Salad Master, ang food processor. Na lahat na yata ng pwedeng cut ng veggies and fruits ay pwedeng gawin. Take note ha, sabi ko, libre, free, gratis, wape. Nagprito po ako ng manok na walang gamit na mantika. Reminder lang po, this method is only designed using Salad Master electric skillet. And after it is cooked na walang mantika, look! Nakakuha pa po ako ng mahigit 1 cup ng oil from the chicken itself. Out of sight, out of mind. If this were chicken from your fast food restaurant without seeing the visual oil here, would you eat the chicken? Would you like to eat like this at home? O kumapit kayo ha? Here's an ultra favorite ng maraming Pinoy. Lechon kawali. And guess what? Hindi rin po ako gumamit ng frying oil to cook it. Lightly seasoned. Okay, I'm just gonna do. How long do you usually take? Normally, when you do this at home, you boil the pig, right? And then what do? You pat it dry and then you season it and then you fry it. What do you think? I just cut the time in half. All right, this will cook for about 45 minutes. And I'm gonna show you how crispy this pork belly is, or slightly healthier because I did not boil it and I did not fry it. When I started, wala na pong mantika at nang matapos, nakakuha pa ako ng oil or pork fat. Would you like to eat with less oil at home? Like this? This is what we put in our heart. Very attentive naman sila, and they all participated with kids. Very eager to know more. From the start until the end, high energy talaga. This is easy?
Yes!
Healthy?
Yes!
Tasty?
Yes!
Alright, so clap your hands! Eating healthy is always an investment. Sometimes, we just have to make better choices. Eating liempo and fried chicken without oil? Ano po ba ang mas preferred nyo? Kung pareho naman ang lasa in the end.
My name is Selena and this is Shoni. We're gonna start eating healthy from now on, so that's why I ordered a lot from them. So thank you to Salad Master.
Ang pinakamalaga po, it's a beautiful feeling when you come out of the house, ang dami kong bagong mga kaibigan na nami-meet, and you never know, one of these days, sa bahay nila ako kakatok o kayo. Kailan? Gusto nyo ba katukin ko kayo? Kung interesado po kayo sa nakita nyo, imagine, ako kakatok sa pintuan nyo. Magluluto ako for you at sa mga kaibigan nyo. More so, bago po ako umalis, may regalo pa kayo. Tawagan nyo po ang 1-800-404-1984. Ito po ang CA Systems of San Leandro. I'll see you again. Si Ron Bilaro po ito, ang nag-iisa nyong kaibigan sa kusina. Bye! And if you want recipes for today's show, go to ulalam.tv and like us on Facebook.